Hello, hello. Welcome to Slow Talk Podcast. We are so happy you're here today. Get ready because today we are going to learn, laugh, and speak English together. Are you ready to speak English today? Let's go.
Amelia, I have a problem. A big problem.
Oh no, what happened, Ethan?
I study English every day. Every single day. I read books, I study grammar, I write new words in my notebook.
Okay, that sounds good. So what is the problem?
Um, Yesterday, a man spoke to me in English. Simple English. And I understood nothing. Zero. Nothing.
I know this feeling very well.
But why? I study so much. Why can I not understand?
Ethan, I have one question for you. When you study English, do you read more or do you listen more?
I I read. I read a lot.
And there is your answer.
Wait, really?
Yes. Today we talk about this. You are training your eyes, Ethan, but English lives in your ears. Repeat after Amelia slowly. English lives in your ears. Say it again. English lives in your ears.
Before we go deeper, tell me something. When was the last time you closed your book, closed your notebook, and just listened? Just listened. No reading, no writing, just your ears. When was the last time? Be honest. Write it in the comments. Don't go anywhere. Get your tea, get your coffee, because in just a moment, we are going to go deep. Really deep. Stay with us.
Okay, let me ask you something. When a baby learns to speak, does the baby read first?
No, babies cannot read.
Exactly. The baby listens. For 1 year, 2 years, only listening. Then the baby speaks. Then, much later, the baby reads.
Oh, wow. So listening comes first, always.
Yes, always. This is natural. This is how the brain works. We're not changing the rules, we're following them. Repeat after me slowly. Listening comes first. Always. One more time. Listening comes first. Always.
Okay, I have a story. Last week, I went to a coffee shop. A tourist came in.
He looked at you and said something in English?
What did he say?
He said, "Excuse me, can I take this seat?"
And what did you do?
I said, "Yes, yes, good, good." I had no idea what he said.
But it was okay. The man sat down and was happy.
Yes, lucky me, but I felt so bad inside. This happens to everyone, Ethan, everyone. The man said, "Excuse me, can I take this seat?" But the words came fast. They connected. They became one sound.
So my eyes know those words, but my ears did not recognize them.
Exactly. Your eyes and your ears need different training. Repeat after me slowly. My eyes and my ears need different training. Say it with me. My eyes and my ears need different training.
Okay, but why do people speak so fast? Can they not slow down?
They're not speaking fast, Ethan. This is their normal speed. For them, it is slow.
That is slow?
For a native speaker, yes. This is called connected speech. Words touch each other. They change. They become short.
Can you give me examples?
Of course. Listen carefully. In a book you read, "What do you want?" In real life you hear, "What do you want?" In a book you read, "Did you eat?" In real life you hear, "Did eat yet?" In a book you read, "I am going to go." In real life you hear, "I'm gonna go."
These are the same sentences?
The same sentences, different sounds.
No wonder I understand nothing.
But now you know why, and knowing why is the first step. Repeat after me. Knowing why is the first step. Come on. Knowing why is the first step.
Okay, I want to train my ears, but how? What do I do?
Good question. I have 3 simple tips for you. Just 3. Are you ready?
Ready.
Tip number 1. Listen every day. Not for a long time, just 10 minutes. 10 minutes every day. That is enough.
10 minutes. Okay, I can do that.
Tip number 2. Do not read the words first. Just listen. Close your eyes. Try to understand. Maybe you understand 10%, maybe 20%. That is okay. Your ears are learning.
But what if I understand nothing?
That is okay too. Your brain is still working. Your ears are still training. Trust the process. Repeat after me. I trust the process. Come on, say it again. I trust the process.
You know, tip number 2 reminds me of something. Last month, I was at the airport. There was an announcement in English.
Oh yes? What happened?
I heard the announcement. I understood 2 words. 2. Gate and please.
Just 2 words?
Everyone around me stood up and started walking. So I stood up too. I just followed the people.
And did you find the right gate?
I did. My legs understood English even when my ears did not.
But this is actually a great lesson. You understood 2 words, gate and please, and that was enough to take action. Imagine if you understood 10 words or 20.
Oh, even a little listening helps.
Even a little. Every word you catch, it counts. Repeat after me. Every word I catch, it counts. Louder. Every word I catch, it counts. And tip number 3. Listen to the same thing 2 times. First time, just listen. Second time, listen and read together. This helps your brain connect the sound to the word.
So first I hear it, then I see it. The sound comes first.
Exactly. Sound first. Always sound first.
You know what? This feels easier. When you say it like this, it feels easy.
Because it is easy, Ethan. You were just doing it in the wrong order.
In the wrong order. Story of my life.
Now, I want to give you one important word today. Just one. The word is input.
Slowly. Input. Input.
Good. Input means information that goes into your brain. Listening is input. Reading is input. But for English, listening input is the most powerful.
So I need more listening input.
Yes, more listening input. Every day, a little. Repeat after me slowly. I need more listening input. One more time, louder. I need more listening input.
Are you still with us? Good, because now it is your turn. Quiz time is here, and trust me, you are ready for this. Let's go. Quick question before we test you. If you start tomorrow, just 10 minutes of listening, what will you listen to? Music? A podcast? A movie? Tell us in the comments. We are curious.
Okay, Ethan, quiz time. I love quiz time. Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, listeners, this quiz is for you too. Are you ready? Let's go.
Question 1. When a baby learns language, what does the baby do first?
The baby listens.
Yes, the baby listens first. Well done. Question 2. In real life, people say, "What do you want?" What is the full sentence?
What do you want?
Perfect. Connected speech. Now you know the secret. Question 3. What are the 3 tips for training your ears?
Number 1, listen every day, 10 minutes. Number 2, listen first, do not read first. Number 3, listen 2 times. First, without reading. Second, with reading.
Perfect, Ethan. 100%.
Wait, I got everything right?
Everything.
Yes! Quiz champion!
And listeners, how did you do? Tell us in the comments. This week's question is, how do you practice English? Do you read more or do you listen more?
Write in the comments. Simple English is perfect. We read every single comment.
We really do.
Genuinely, thank you so much for listening today. Seriously, you are amazing for being here.
Remember your homework this week. 10 minutes of listening. Every day. Just 10 minutes. You can do this.
And remember,
Train your ears, not your eyes.
train your ears, not your eyes.
See you next time. Slowly.